Most people get decentralized finance wrong. They think it's only for experts or risky speculation. But today, I'm sharing my honest experience using Venus Protocol, a DeFi platform that lets you earn interest, borrow assets, and explore crypto in a decentralized way. Venus Protocol operates on the Binance Smart Chain. Its main feature is lending and borrowing crypto. You can supply assets like BUSD or BTCB and earn interest, or use your crypto as collateral to borrow other tokens. Most people get this wrong. By only holding crypto passively, they miss out on potential yields. Getting started is fairly straightforward. You connect a supported wallet, like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, to the platform. Once connected, you can deposit assets into Venus liquidity pools. Interest accrues automatically and is paid in real time. During my testing, BUSD deposits earned around 8-10% annual yield, which is much higher than traditional savings accounts. The platform also has the XBS token, which acts as governance. By holding XBS, you can vote on proposals, and it's also used for rewards. Most people get this wrong by underestimating governance tokens. They are not just for speculation, but also influence platform decisions. Borrowing is another feature. If you deposit crypto as collateral, you can borrow other tokens up to a certain limit. The system uses a collateralization ratio, so you must monitor your positions to avoid liquidation. During my usage, I borrowed stablecoins to trade, but I always kept an eye on market volatility. The surprising truth about Venus Protocol is that while it offers high yields, risks exist. Smart contract vulnerabilities, liquidation during market drops, and price fluctuations can affect your assets. Always only use funds you can afford to lose and diversify your holdings. In conclusion, Venus Protocol is a powerful tool for those looking to earn interest and participate in DeFi. Most people get it wrong by avoiding lending or borrowing altogether, but with careful management, it can be a solid way to grow crypto holdings. Subscribe for more honest DeFi reviews so you can navigate crypto safely and confidently.